On a peaceful summer morning in 1908, deep in the remote wilderness of Siberia, something extraordinary happened, an event so powerful it would become one of history's greatest mysteries. Picture this: June 30th, just after sunrise. Local villagers were going about their morning routines when suddenly, the sky erupted into flames. A blinding blue light brighter than the sun itself streaked across the horizon. What happened next was beyond anyone's wildest nightmares. Boom! An explosion with the force of 1,000 Hiroshima bombs rocked the earth. The blast was so intense it flattened 80 million trees across 830 square miles. That's like wiping New York City completely off the map, in seconds. Eyewitnesses hundreds of miles away reported windows shattering, buildings shaking, and a heat so intense it felt like their clothes were on fire. Some people were knocked off their feet by an invisible force. Even reindeer herders 40 miles from ground zero were thrown into the air. But here's where it gets weird, really weird. When scientists finally reached the site, they found something baffling. No crater, nothing. Just millions of trees lying flat like matchsticks, all pointing away from the center of the blast. For decades, theories ran wild. Was it an alien spacecraft exploding? A secret weapon test? A mini black hole punching through Earth? The reality might be even scarier. Most scientists now believe it was likely a meteoroid or comet fragment that exploded in our atmosphere. Just imagine, a chunk of space rock maybe 120 feet across, nearly wiped out an area the size of a major city. Here's the thing that keeps scientists up at night. The Tunguska event wasn't just a freak accident, it was a wake-up call. Our planet is constantly bombarded by space rocks, and we've just been incredibly lucky so far. That's why NASA now tracks thousands of near-Earth objects that could pose a threat. But Tunguska proved something chilling. Sometimes we might not see them coming until it's too late. Think about it. If that explosion had happened over London, Paris, or New York instead of remote Siberia, well, our history books would look very different today. The Tunguska explosion remains the largest recorded explosion in human history, not caused by humans themselves. It's a haunting reminder of just how fragile our world really is, and how quickly everything we know could change in a flash of light from above.